welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla Petrie and I'm here with another makeup video. Today I did a blue eye look using the NYX Professional Makeup Ultimate Shadow Palette. And it's just a palette with all these colors, and I will let you know what colors I actually used in the video. And yeah, I use this palette, and then of course I kind of dipped into some colors out of my own palette that I have made here. But I will list everything in the video. Definitely don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your notifications. And if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, keep watching. So first I'm going to be priming my lips with MAC's Lip Hydrant. Then I'm going right into my brows using my Sephora brow pencil. It's waterproof in the color Chocolate Brown. Taking my Studio Fix Concealer in NC42 and NC45, I'm going to conceal my brows. And this product is from MAC, and I actually just mixed the two together in a little jar. And I'm just using a fluffy brush to blend my brows out. So starting on my eye look, I'm going into that blue shade, and I'm really going to concentrate that in the crease. I don't want it to spread too widely because it is a blue shade and not like a natural crease color. So I want to make sure I kind of really concentrate that and then just lightly blend out the edges. Now going into the other blue shade, I'm really concentrating that in the crease. I guess I use the first blue as like a base or my transition color, and then I'm just going to go back and forth between those two colors just until I get the right blue that I want. Now for my palette, I'm taking that white shade and I'm using like a thicker shadow brush, also pretty much making a cut crease, but instead of using like a primer or concealer, I'm just using the eyeshadow. I'm taking a smaller brush and really blending out any harsh lines. I'm going into the palette and actually defining the line a little bit more. Now I'm using my Inglot gel liner in the color 77 to line my eyes. I actually purchased this new product from Inglot called Duraline, and I actually applied some of that to my liner, and it actually made it workable and movable. The reason I hadn't been using this product is because it dried up. So I'm actually really happy that I was able to purchase something like that to kind of make sure that the product has some longevity. I'm just cleaning up the look with my Neutrogena wipes. I'm lining my lash line with my Callus eye glue, and then I'm just gonna apply my lashes. Taking my Smolder eye pencil, I'm tight lining my eyes. Using my Heavy Metal glitter liner in the shade Disco Daydream from Urban Decay, I'm just going to outline my cut crease. I'm moisturizing my face with my Belief Aqua Bomb. Then I'm going to apply this light blue shade in the inner portion of my eye. So I'm going to add this shade on top of that blue. Now I'm applying my Hydro Grip Primer from Milk Makeup. I'm going to use my fan to allow it to dry down. Then I'm going to set my whole face with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and this is to control my oils. Using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Caramel, I'm just going to highlight all over my face. And since I purchased this online, the color is a little bright for me, so that's why I apply it first to make sure it's not too bright on top of the foundation. Taking my NARS foundation in the color Maria. This is a long wear foundation. I'm applying that all over my face. I started off with 3 pumps, And then I added another one to my neck, and I added one more for any extra little blemishes that I felt like weren't covered. So when I'm done applying all of my cream products, I like to set my face with my Makeup Forever powder in Y445, and I just like to do this first so I don't get any flashback. I'm setting all of my highlighted areas with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm using my Fenty bronzer to contour my face. Taking my blush from MAC in Petal Power, I'm going to really apply that. And then I'm taking a fluffy brush and just blending out all of my translucent powder. Taking Smolder from MAC, I'm lining my waterline. Going back into that blue, I'm going to smudge out my waterline. Taking ColourPop's BFF3, I'm lining and filling in my lips. Then I'm actually going to line my lips here with ColourPop's BFF4. And then I'm actually using Naturally Transformed Matte Lipstick from MAC and just going over my lips. I wanted to darken my waterline, so I'm adding some black. Taking my Makeup Forever powder, just blending everything out. I'm setting my face with my Fenty What It Do spray. And before I forget, I'm adding my MAC 3D mascara. So here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching my video. Peace.